It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a monstrous motorbike that transforms into a hoverbike. Meet the limited edition LMV 496 Moto Volante, which translates to the flying motorcycle and is one of the coolest looking beasts on the road and in the air. Only one of 5 to be in existence, this powerful prototype machine was made by French designer and auto manufacturer Ludovic Lazaret of Lazaret Automoto. Lazaret, who's known to push the envelope with his adventurous visions and passion for power and speed, has upped the ante from his earlier models. The 308 pounds motorbike turned hoverbike is powered by 496,000 RPM JetCat jet turbines that emerge from its 4-wheel hubs. These jets are reportedly made by a German crew that works on the NASA and Skunk Works X-56A experimental aircraft, among others. The LMV 496 Moto Volante can make 529 pounds of thrust, which is a massive amount of horsepower, 1300 to be exact. All you have to do is pull a switch and the wheels hydraulically move from their upright orientation to a horizontal one. Then comes the rumble of 4 jet turbines that surface from 4-wheel hubs, and then 60 seconds later you're lifting off the ground. The LMV 496 Moto Volante can currently only hover up to 3.3 feet above the ground, and that will likely improve in the final product. It's equipped with a hidden kerosene tank with sufficient fuel capacity to allow the beast to hover above the ground for a solid 10 minutes. While in flight, the dashboard displays essential flight information such as speed, position, altitude, etc. You can control it using joysticks located on either side of the handlebar control. The robust LMV 496 Moto Volante, which shines in all of its sleek and modern glory, makes a statement in red and black, with bodywork that's made of carbon Kevlar composite. It's also an electric motorcycle that's capable of 100 kilometers or 62 miles per charge. The motorbike turned hoverbike will set you back $560,000 and as mentioned, only 5 will be made. Whether you're in road mode or flight mode, this machine is a fierce attention grabber. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.